Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So the US dollar CAD, has been definitely going up pretty strong, as you can see, but I still think this is a downtrend. I still think this is either going to go down, make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which would most likely go to the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the top of wave B, or possibly even all the way down to make a wave 3, which would go all the way down to about the 161.8 Fibonacci extension. Either way, I don't really think it's that important to know exactly whether it's a 3 or a C at this point in the market, because either way, primarily you should be looking for shorts in a downtrend. Going down to the weekly time frame, like I said, very strong to the upside, but to me, this looks like a trend 5 ways down. I think it's probably a 1. I think this move up is probably going to be a 2, which it probably will go up and take out that high right there before it goes down and makes a 3. Probably a 1, 2, 3 of wave C, most likely, but you can't really rule out the possibility of it being a 1, 2, 3 of wave 3 also. So taking it down even further to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement only measuring this one move right now, just to look for areas of resistance. We are at the 78%, and that usually is a pretty likely area of resistance. So a pullback does seem kind of likely. But I think at this point, it is going to end up continuing up. It probably is going to take out this high, probably form some sort of a three-way pattern before it actually does end up continuing down. We have interest rate for the US dollar on January 31st. I think this is going to continue to drift up for the most part until that interest rate news comes out on the 31st of January. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we're sitting at the 78%. That doesn't necessarily mean that it has to go down right here. It very easily could just keep on drifting up. And I personally wouldn't really try to go short right now unless I was like scalping or something. But if it does go down, potentially you could get some good scalps. But the trades that I would definitely still be looking for is longs at the end of pullbacks. Those are the trades that are going to be more likely to give you a good risk to reward ratio. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we're at the 78%, so a pullback does definitely seem pretty likely. But it could just make another little ABC correction, and it could just make another higher low, and just keep on going up until I get some sort of a breaker structure or something confirming on like the 4 hour time frame and up that this thing is actually going down with like a breaker structure to the downside. I would definitely continue to look for longs at the end of any pullbacks that I see, especially on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.